On in 3, 2, 1. The
Hey guys, and welcome back to Engineered Nonsense. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the first real project I made on my 3D printer. By the way, if you want to see more cool projects like this, please subscribe, as this is a passion of mine and my friends, and the files will be in the description below. These are my 3D printed night vision goggles. My specific NVGs are digital night vision goggles, meaning they use a camera with the IR filter removed to see IR light. The camera I'm using is a Logitech C270 webcam, which plugs into a Galaxy S20, which my NVGs are specifically built around. And on the left side is the IR light. This is a 44mm IR light for security cameras, and above the light is a 50mm hole to fit a clear polycarbonate cover to protect the lights. The night vision unit itself attaches to the helmet using this mount and pin. The mount is specifically designed for my helmet, but I will include mounts for both GoPro and even fast helmet night vision mounts. So you guys should be able to attach this to any helmet. And the two halves have spaces for little 10mm by 3mm circle magnets to hold them together, but the mount itself should be just enough to friction fit them together. Powering the whole thing is a 9V battery and two AA batteries in series making 12 volts. I also made this little holder to hold the batteries and a switch, which just so happens to fit on my helmet. And the pack has a quick disconnect that connects to the IR lights. In a future video, I'll be talking more in depth about how everything works and how you can make one for yourself. Also, don't forget to subscribe to see the next video on these NVGs and more projects like it. Anyways, this is Engineering Nonsense signing off.